2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbo supercharged, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.